how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another update video about Theta Network, guys. In this video I'm talking about the current price update of Theta Network, and absolutely I also predicated Theta Network. A lot of holders of Theta Network ask me questions about Theta, that when the responsibilities that the price of Theta will pump, the price of Theta will increase. So guys, in this video we predicate. Keep watch this video complete, and if you are new here, so kindly subscribe ABS Tech channel for more update and the news videos about cryptocurrency. Guys, first of all, if we talk about the current price of Theta Network, so 6.04 USD dollar, 6.04 USD dollar, that is the current price of Theta Network. Other side you can see the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, these all changes goes negative. Changes occur going negative. That's too bad for all of you guys, but don't worry, very soon these changes will become positive. Very soon, guys, just hold. You know what, my prediction about Theta Network is that guys, in the last week of October, there is possibilities that the price of Theta Network will increase, the price of Theta Network will become positive, and they will give you profit. So just hold, guys, just hold. I recommend for all of my viewers, for all of my subscribers, those people who's holding Theta Network, so I recommend holding, guys. Just hold for a long time. Anyways, guys, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell, or hold any coin, any crypto, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.